Hey, this is Gil with another IPG rental video. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Cinegears Ghost-Eye, the 600M wireless transmitter and receiver. We offer two separate packages for the Ghost-Eye. The standard package consists of one transmitter and one receiver, and then there's a secondary package which consists of one transmitter and two receivers. Both packages contain a D-tap to 2-pin LEMO connector for power, a shorty BNC, a shorty HDMI cable, as well as an articulated arm. The Ghost-Eye gives you two separate options for your inputs and outputs. On the receiver, you have your HDMI out, as well as two HD SDI outs. On the transmitter, which is connected to our camera, you'll see here you have one HD SDI in, one HD SDI out, as well as an HDMI in. On the other side of the transmitter, you will have your options for your channels, which you have the arrows here to where you can push up and down, and menu selection as well. The Ghost-Eye can transmit a signal up to 1080 at 60 frames per second with audio and time code up to 600 meters or 2,000 feet line of sight. And there you go, Cinegears Ghost-Eye. And if you're interested in renting this product, click on the link below. And if this video was helpful to you, remember, like, subscribe, and comment. IPGRentals.com. Our gear, your vision.